Welcome to week 6, CTS240. Time's flying by. Now this week we move probably into an area that project managers spend more time in than anything else, at least as far as the planning stages are concerned. So I give you the Quizlet link for the terms, which there are plenty of. 2 assignments. Both are using Microsoft Project. So you're just going to set up small projects and print off a couple of charts. So just to get you familiar with how the project manager would actually set up a project plan. And of course the Chapter 6 exam. So hopefully if you have any questions, give me a buzz. If not, I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.